So look at this. It's really amazing what BGAs are getting. BGAs are getting larger and larger. And on these large BGA components, the request is also, how can I rework those? I will give a quick overview on our HR 600 XL machine, how we work with this. So the first thing is, you need to be capable to take these components off of your assembly. To do that, we created special grippers made from metallic 3D print, and those grippers can be adapted to the components exactly in the size which is needed from the customers. Today we are talking about dimension of 150 to 150 millimeters. The next topic on removing, desoldering these components is the heating head. So we have a 160 by 160 millimeter heating head, which is giving you the ability to heat the entire area of these huge BGAs for removal and installation. We will see this heating head later in operation, but first I will show you how we place these components. So our HR 600 XL machine is ready to take the component in a certain pickup position. And now I will show you quickly how we do the placement on this machine. The first step is to identify the position of the later installation for the component. We are using the edges of the PCB and we define where to place the component by selecting the corner pins or the corner pads of the entire assembly. And we do this on all four corners of the PCB. There is an image processing to identify the center of each pad on the corners of the assembly. And the next thing is that we pick up the component from the component tray where it's already assigned to the correct orientation. Like on the PCB, we are now selecting the single balls, the corner balls of the BGA, and the first step to make a rotation correction. So the component will be brought to a rectangular orientation to later on make the placement accurately. Once the rotation adjustment is done, the operator again needs to identify the corner balls for the placement procedure. Once the final ball was identified by the operator and everything is accepted, the rest will be done by the machine. So the alignment of the entire component package across the area of the PCB will be calculated and the access system will bring the component to its final destination.